Smirk.
All right, ready?
Smirk it.
Ready?
Smirk it.
Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Hi, welcome to Fan Strike. I'm Josiah.
I'm Isaiah.
I'm Elijah.
And I'm Levi.
I'm Josiah. I'm the big brother, kind of the front man of Fan Strike, fearless leader, and the strongest and best looking one of the group. Now, unlike the other guys, I
Exactly.
kind of I don't have a lot of time on my hands, so I try to be really efficient, and I'm always getting stuff done. I can't sit still like they do and devote themselves to hours of little projects and stuff. I'm always doing things on the go. I'm on the way. I'm on the move, and I'm always getting stuff done on the way to go get something else done. What else I was gonna say after that?
I'm Isaiah. I feel like I'm the most mature member of the group, but I feel like I get bullied amongst the members.
They took the camera, man. I'm serious.
No, they didn't tell him when. They didn't tell him. They send me to go get the pizza. I have to set lights. They tell me to turn on the camera, and I've kind of had enough of it. But I fear what they might do to me. You like?
Alright. I'm Elijah. And although I'm the youngest member of Fan Strike, I definitely take the most responsibilities. And even may it be that I am the most sane, well-adjusted person here, doesn't mean I can't have a little fun.
Well, I'm Levi. I'm the only one who's not a brother in the group, but I hold my special place. I've got skills, survivalist. I know things, mechanically inclined. That's why they call me the Tool. Behind my back, of course, they too insecure to compliment another man, so they also call me paranoid. To my face, I'm not paranoid, just prepared. If they only knew the things I know, well, then they would know. But then the government would know. Then we would all know.
And also,
We want to make it very, very understood to all of you that we hate this movie.
All right, go. Oh.